Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing the focus so your project stays manageable. Choose a topic and 1 to 3 research questions. Once done, define a date range or place to limit scope and immediately compile a short source list of 5-10 items. Make sure to include both primary and secondary materials so you can compare perspectives. This early preparation speeds every following step and prevents aimless searching, so begin building that source list now and note where each item is located. Next, organize evidence so you can work efficiently. Make a source log recording author, type, and reliability. Once that is ready, sketch a chronological or thematic outline with 6 to 8 headings that will structure your narrative. Then map specific pieces of evidence to each heading so you know where claims are supported. If you find gaps, mark them for quick follow-up. This keeps research targeted. By structuring early, you reduce rewrites and make drafting a focused, evidence-based process. Now draft your project using the outline. Write one section at a time and link evidence to your claims so the how and why are clear. Once a draft exists, format citations consistently and compile a full bibliography to show your research trail. Then proofread for factual accuracy and narrative flow and save backups in cloud and local storage. If citations feel messy, recheck your source log. That troubleshooting tip resolves most bibliography issues. Fixing one missing citation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.